Today my 17th lecture on complex analysis for 5th SEM DSC students. I'm Ms. Ranjana Datta from the Department of Mathematics, the Graduate School College for Women. Last day we discussed about the mapping of jet plane to W plane. Now today we will start the what you understand by conformal mapping. Suppose under the transformation u is equal to uxy and p is equal to vxy, the point p x0 y0 of the jet plane is transferred or mapped into the w plane to the point p dash the u0 v0 of the w plane, and the curve c1 and c2 representing at x0 y0 be mapped into the curves tau 1 and tau 2 intersecting at the point u0 v0. Then if the transformation is such that the angle between c1 and c2 at x0 y0, see here, the angle between c1 and c0 at x0 y0, that is on z plane, is equal both in magnitude and sense to the angle between the tau 1 and tau 2 at u0 v0 is said to be conformal at x0 y0. The transformation is isogonal if the magnitude are same but the angle magnitude of the angle is same, but it is not necessary in the sense also. So in figure 1 the transformation is conformal and in figure 2 it is isogonal. So now we will start the sufficient condition for W is equal to Fz to represent a conformal mapping. Let Fz be an analytic function of Z in the region D of the jet plane, and f dash z, which is not equal to 0 inside D dash, then the mapping of W fz is conformal at the point of D. Proof. Let Z0 be an interior point of the region D, and C1 and C2 be the two continuous curves passing through Z0. Supposing these curves define images, uh, um, this curve have their definite tangents, definite tangents at z0, making an angle alpha 1 and alpha 2 respectively with the real axis. Taking the point z1 and z2 on the curve c1 and c2 at the sense at the same distance r from the z0. See here, at the same distance r from z0, then we can write it as z1 minus z0 is equal to r e to the power I theta 1, and z2 minus z0 is equal to r e to the power I theta 2. As r tends to 0, theta 1 tends to alpha 1 and theta 2 tends to alpha 2. Now as the point moves from z0 to z1 along c1 and the image of the point moves through tau 1 and tau 2 in W plane from W0 to W1. Similarly, as a point moves from Z0 to Z2, then C2, then the image is tau 2 and that is from W0 to W2. Consider um, uh, that W1 minus W0 is rho 1 e to the power I theta 1, and W2 minus W0 is rho into e to the power I phi 1. Phi 2, sorry, again. W1 minus W0 is equal to W1 minus W0 is equal to rho 1 e to the power I phi 1, and W2 minus W0 is equal to rho 2 e to the power I phi 2. Since Fz is analytic, we can write Z1 limit Z1 tends to Z0 W1 minus W0 divided by Z1 minus Z0 is equal to F dash Z0. As f dash z0 is not equal to 0, we may write f dash z is f dash z0 is equal to r0 e to the power I theta 0. We take f dash z0 is equal to r0 e to the power I theta 0. It follows that rho 1 e to the power phi 1 and divided by r e to the power I theta 1 is equal to r0 e to the power I theta 0, and limit rho 1 by r into e to the power I phi 1 minus theta 1. Hence, limit phi 1 minus theta 1 is equal to theta 0. So, comparing, we can say that theta 1 plus theta 0 is equal to alpha 1 plus theta 0. Then the curve tau 1 has a definite tangent at W0, mapping and making an angle theta 2 alpha 2 is equal to alpha 2 is equal to alpha 2 plus theta 0, making an angle alpha 2 plus theta 0 with the real axis. Consequently, the angle between the tangents at W0 to the curve tau 1 and tau 2 is equal to alpha 2 plus theta 0 minus alpha 1 plus theta 0 is equal to alpha 2 minus alpha 1, which is same as the angle between the tangents at C1 and C2 at Z0. Hence, the angle between the curve has the same sense in the two figure. In other words, the mapping W equal to Fz is conformal because the angle is same in Z plane as well as in the W plane. So, if Fz is analytic at Z0, then F dash Z0 is not equal to 0. Then the angle of the transformation W is equal to Fz, the tangent at Z0, then the curve C is rotated through an angle arc of f dash z. Also, the distance of a point z1 on c1 from the point z0 is magnified by the amount limit of rho 1 by r is equal to r0 is equal to modulus of f dash z0. Under the transformation, also it is quite evident that the modification is independent of the distance. Modification is independent of distance, the but it varies from point to point because of the angle preserving property of the transformation. The any small figure in one place corresponds to approximately similar figure in the other plane. So to obtain a figure at W0 corresponding to a figure at W0, we rotate it to an angle arc of f dash z0 and subject it by the modification f dash z0. So student, please see this carefully at home and prepare for the next class. Thank you.